Have you ever wondered how to share your knowledge online but got stuck choosing the right platform? In the digital universe of online learning, two stars shine brightest: Skool and Thinkific. Each is great for building vibrant communities to crafting courses with your personal touch. Let's dive into the battle of Skool versus Thinkific and find out which one is better for you. And by the way, if you would like to sign up to either Skool or Thinkific, make sure to use my affiliate links down in the description of this video. These are my affiliate links, so if you click and shop through them, I will earn a small commission, which I will be very grateful for. And with that in mind, let's get on with the video. Community engagement and platform focus. Skool emphasizes community engagement. It believes that learning is more effective when students and instructors can easily interact. This platform is designed to make building and nurturing an online learning community straightforward. The focus on community is evident in its integrated features, such as discussion forums and direct messaging, which are built into the course environment. This approach makes Skool an attractive option for creators who see the value in fostering strong community ties as part of the learning process. Thinkific, on the other hand, prioritizes course customization and scalability. It is geared towards creators who want the freedom to design their courses extensively, from the layout of content pages to the inclusion of multimedia elements like videos and interactive quizzes. Thinkific's platform offers more in terms of customization, allowing for a personalized touch that can align with the creator's branding and student engagement strategies. Its scalability is evident in its tiered pricing plans, making it suitable for individuals at various stages of their course creation journey, from beginners to established educators and organizations. Ease of use and design customization. Both platforms are designed with ease of use in mind. Skool offers a streamlined course builder that simplifies the process of creating and launching a course. It employs a drag-and-drop interface, making it accessible to those without technical expertise. The design of Skool's platform is straightforward, emphasizing functionality and ease of navigation, which allows creators to focus more on content and community rather than getting bogged down by complex design decisions. Thinkific takes ease of use further with its advanced course builder, supporting a wider array of multimedia content. This allows creators to design more engaging and interactive courses. Additionally, Thinkific offers more extensive customization options for the course's look and feel, providing a range of themes that can be tailored to match the creator's branding. This level of customization makes Thinkific a strong choice for those who have specific visual and interactive elements in mind for their courses. Marketing and sales features. Marketing and sales capabilities are crucial for attracting and enrolling students. Thinkific shines in this area with its comprehensive set of marketing tools. Creators can design custom landing pages that showcase their courses, use discount coupons to attract students, and leverage affiliate marketing features to increase course visibility. Thinkific's analytics and reporting tools also allow creators to track the effectiveness of their marketing efforts, making it easier to adjust strategies for better results. Skool, while not offering as wide a range of marketing tools as Thinkific, still provides essential features that help creators promote their courses. The platform's focus on community can also be a powerful marketing tool, as engaged students are more likely to recommend courses to others. However, for those looking for more advanced marketing features, such as affiliate marketing or extensive analytics, Thinkific would be the more suitable choice. Pricing and transaction fees. Pricing is a significant consideration for course creators. Skool opts for simplicity with a single, flat-fee pricing model. This approach is attractive for creators who prefer a straightforward pricing structure without the worry of escalating costs as their needs grow. The flat rate covers unlimited courses and students, making it a cost-effective option for creators planning to expand their offerings. The flat rate is $99 per month. Thinkific offers a more flexible approach to pricing with its tiered plans. The structure allows creators to start with a basic plan and scale up as their business grows. Thinkific even offers a free plan, making it accessible for those just starting out or wanting to test the platform before committing financially. It's worth noting that Thinkific does not charge transaction fees on its paid plans, which can lead to significant savings for creators with a high volume of course sales. Support and community. Support and community features are essential for both new and experienced course creators. Skool offers 24/7 customer support, providing peace of mind for creators who might need assistance at any time. The platform also fosters a sense of community among creators through its integrated community features, making it easy for students and instructors to connect and learn from each other. Thinkific's support is robust, with multiple channels including email, chat, and phone support. Thinkific also boasts a large and active user community, offering creators a wealth of resources from tutorials and webinars to forums where they can share experiences and advice. This extensive support network can be incredibly valuable, especially for those new to online course creation. Integrations and extensions. The ability to integrate with other tools and services can greatly enhance the functionality of an online course platform. Skool provides essential integrations, such as with Stripe for payment processing, ensuring that creators can manage payments efficiently. However, Thinkific offers a broader range of integrations, including email marketing tools like MailChimp and automation tools like Zapier. This makes Thinkific a more versatile choice for creators who rely on a suite of tools to manage their courses and marketing efforts. User experience and accessibility. For course creators and students alike, the user experience and accessibility of the platforms are crucial. Both Skool and Thinkific understand this, ensuring their interfaces are not only user-friendly, but also accessible on various devices, including mobile phones and tablets. This ensures that students can learn on the go, providing flexibility in how and where education is accessed. Skool's design is minimalist and straightforward, focusing on reducing distractions and making navigation intuitive for both creators and students. This simplicity extends to its core creation tools, which are designed to be easy to use without sacrificing the depth of features. The community aspects are seamlessly integrated into the learning environment, promoting interaction and engagement directly within the platform. Thinkific goes a step further in user experience by offering a customizable learning environment that can be tailored to the specific branding and styling preferences of the creator. This level of customization is paired with a responsive design that ensures courses look great and function well on any device. Thinkific's platform also includes accessibility features that make courses usable by people with disabilities, an important consideration for creating inclusive learning experiences. Content hosting and management. Both platforms offer robust options for hosting and managing course content, including unlimited hosting for courses and multimedia elements such as videos, text, quizzes, and interactive content. This allows creators to build comprehensive and dynamic courses without worrying about additional hosting fees or limitations. Skool emphasizes the integration of course content with community features, enabling creators to use discussions and feedback as part of the learning journey. This approach encourages active participation and engagement, enhancing the learning experience. Thinkific provides advanced content management tools, allowing for detailed customization of the learning path and personalization of the student experience. With features like drip content, prerequisite lessons, and advanced quiz settings, creators can design a structured and engaging learning environment that caters to the diverse needs of their students. So, choosing between Skool and Thinkific ultimately depends on the specific needs and goals of the course creator. Skool is the ideal choice for those who prioritize community engagement and desire a simple, all-inclusive pricing model. Its strength lies in fostering a vibrant learning community, making it particularly suited for creators who view engagement and interaction as central to the educational experience. Thinkific, with its advanced customization options, scalability, and extensive marketing and analytics tools, is tailored for creators looking for granular control over their courses and growth. Its tiered pricing structure and wide range of integrations offer flexibility and functionality to suit a variety of needs, from solo educators to large institutions. Both platforms are powerful tools for online education, offering robust features that can support a wide range of teaching and learning styles. The choice between Skool and Thinkific will hinge on the balance between community, engagement, customization, pricing, and scalability, aligning with the creator's vision for their online courses. And don't forget that if you would like to sign up to either Skool or Thinkific, I'm going to leave my affiliate link to their websites down in the description of this video. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.